Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Job Panda. Today's job update is from the Home Ministry and Intelligence Bureau. The number of posts are huge, it is 2000 posts, and one important thing regarding this post is that all graduate are eligible. Okay, so let's move to the advertisement. So it comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Intelligence Bureau, and the the post is Assistant Central Intelligence Officer grade 2nd, and this is the link from where you can apply. And the description of post is like this is the group C post. Number of vacancies are total 2000. For unreserved it is 989, for EWS 113, for OBC 417, for SC 360, and for ST 121. And the pay scale is of level 7. The essential qualification is graduation or equivalent from a recognized university. It means that all the graduate students are eligible irrespective of the branch in which they have done the graduation. The age limit is 18 to 27 years of age, and there are some relaxation to the different category. And the final result, the candidate must possess the essential qualification, means they must have completed their graduation on the date 9 January 2021. They must have completed their graduation on this date. And the center city of examination, it is almost in every state of India, and even in a state there are two or more centers. Like in Himachal Pradesh, there are two centers, Hamirpur and Shimla. So you should not worry about the examination centers. Now the next important thing is scheme of examination. Scheme of examination is based on three tier. Tier 1 is consists of objective type MCQs, multiple choice questions, and it is divided into 5 parts containing 20 questions of 1 marks each. And 5 parts are like this: general awareness, quantitative aptitude, numerical, analytical, logical ability and reasoning, English language and general studies. And there will be negative marks. Each right answer will carry 1 marks. So 100 questions means 100 marks. Time duration will be of 1 hours, and there is 1 by 4 negative marking. Then if you got selected in tier 1, then there will be tier 2. It will be descriptive type. Remember, it is not objective, and paper will consist of 50 marks. Time duration will be same like tier 1, 1 hour. Essay will consist of 30 marks, and English comprehension and precise writing will carry 20 marks. Now if you are able to qualify the tier 1 and tier 2 successfully, then there comes the third tier, that is interview, and it will again carry the 100 marks. And so this was the number of students they will select in interview will be the 5 times the number of vacancies. These are few important things, and this is the link from where you can apply. And the opening date of the registration is 19 December 2020, and the last date will be 9 January 2021. After that the form will not be accepted. So note down the important dates. Now the examination fees. Examination fees is 100 and 500 rupees. For general candidates they have to pay 100 plus 500. For SC/ST candidate they just have to pay the 500 rupees. They are exempted from the examination fees 100 rupees. And these are some general instructions which you can go through of your own. You can check the Telegram group link where I will post this PDF, and these are some form of certificate they have mentioned, they have given, like if you are SC ST, if you are an OBC or EWS, or you belongs to the ex-servicemen, then these are some forms in the formats they have given, so you can fill out these forms. So these were the important things, and the number of posts are huge. As I've already told, it is 2000. So don't miss this form. And for all the future updates regarding government jobs and other important information, please subscribe to this channel, and please share your views regarding this channel. Thank you. Thank you for listening.